what? Let's go party. But first, what do we have here? Oh no! Who would toss some perfectly good legs? Don't worry, they're not alive. So, let's use them for arts and crafts. Also a great way to save on stockings. But she's got a better idea. Make 3 and add some glass on top. It's a table. Oh, look what's over here. Roll it down. These walls are in need of a makeover. What can we use? Oh, a candy wrapper. And the best part, it's already plenty sticky. Smooth it out. We're gonna need more candy. Wow, everything looks great. Well, the room, I think you deserve a makeover too. Uh-oh, talk about losing face. I guess this doll's starting from scratch. Okay, start by filling up these shapes. Barbie can do this blindfolded. After all, she's Barbie. Now let's try it out. Much better. Next up, let's cut up some sponge. Make any shape you like. Oh, a heart. Add some paint on top. And start stamping on the wall. Make sure to get all 4 walls. Meanwhile, let's check in on our human friends. Well, her trash is another doll's treasure. It's not much of a hula hoop, but let's add some tights. Wrap them around to bring it together. The 4 legs should be hanging down. Now tie them to the other end. Add more so it looks like a dream catcher. We just need something to hang it from. Almost done. Now it's the best seat in the house. Hey, what's in your hair? Ooh, a spring spiral. Let's hang a bunch of these too. Hey, watch out! Ooh, look, a wheel!
La 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 la.
And a paint roller. It's still wet. How about we paint this box? What's next? Old noodles? Well, maybe we can use the plate. Give it a clean new look. And we've got wheels. But the decorating doesn't have to stop there. Still, nothing beats a little name branding. And look who's coming for a visit. It's Ken! And he's a mess. Well, he's in the right place. Let's get you a new face while we're at it. Ooh, clown! Still, let's try the mustache one. Unibrows are due for a comeback. Oh wait, I'm thinking of unicorns. I guess you just can't beat a classic.
Whoa!
Oh, is your Barbie Jeep for sale? A Ken dollar should cover this. Don't spend it all in one place. Look, Ken gave you his number. Hi, Ken. What the? Let's try again. I think we're gonna need a new phone. Okay, cut a cat shape out of cardboard. Hot glue some cardboard on the side. Now add a cover on top. Let's add color. Pink, it's kind of her thing. And some purple on the side. Looking good, but our phone still needs a keyboard. Ooh, it's a Hello Kitty phone. They gotta stick together. Time to add some pink paint. We're ready for a big adventure. What's this? Oh, the beach. I know. Take some cardboard and use it to make a window. Let's add some shutters on the sides and hang it up on the wall. Slide that beach photo inside. Huh, an ocean view at no additional cost. Next up, take a plastic bowl and start stacking. We'll need a few. Wow, we're making a whole column. Now take some paper and cut it up. Make some frills and put it on the top. We're gonna need a bunch of these. We've got... It's trash day! Dun dun dun! Oh, come on, at least sort your plastics. Oh, Barbie will always be there for you. What a happy ending. Now, let the mask work its magic. Now let's see your pretty face. Down, get some white gum and stretch it out over that smile. She's a 24-karat golden blonde. As for your doll, well, at least this dog likes her hair. Guess it makes a nice chew toy. Well, whatever's left of it, I guess. I know. Let's grab a newspaper. Cut out some thin strips and use the scissors to curl them up. Add them up like ringlets. And soon she'll be a real curly top. Don't forget to add some color. Decorate it with glitter and jewels in nice shapes. And we can't forget the faucet or the water. 'Cause some people prefer to take showers. If that's the case, get some material. That could work for walls. And turn a cap into a shower head. Now we gotta install some plumbing. This straw could make a great pipe. Hook it up and hang up a curtain. Now let's lather, rinse, and repeat. And remember, nothing beats shopping for gifts can be a lot of fun. But remember, some people prefer cash. So why don't we fold them up into strips? We can use them to make a new dress. complete with a belt and a bow on top. Oh, Dolly, green really is your color. How about a hand for the designer? You're gonna need some clothes, too. What do we have to work with? Ooh, tin foil, and lots of it, too. Rip off a piece, your doll a new present. Nano tape? Well, we can whip it into shape. Roll it out and add some glitter. Fold it up and make some cuts. Try them on and add some straps. And try out your new platform shoes. How about some heels? This toothpick's 2-in-1. These boots were made for walking. And a big straw on top. Now it's time for a paint job. What else can we add? A clear folder. Draw something on top, color it in, and cut it out. Add some heat to shrink it down to size. And we've got a tiny fireplace. Next up, some glue. Add some tiles all around. And a rim around the bottom. Now take a liquid soap spout, add some wire. And we've got ourselves a shower head. Don't forget curtains for privacy. Let's try it out. Turn it on. And wash that milk right out of your hair. Oh, donuts. Ooh, save that box. We can fill it up with even tinier boxes. Add a cover and cut out a little opening. Just add a few finishing touches, and Barbie's got her own vending machine. Next up, we'll need that little jar. Don't worry, a cyclone won't wake her up. What did I tell you? Grab what you need and run. Make some cuts on the side. Now grab a tiny toothpaste tube and cut a little off from the top. Add some glue to keep it in place. And place it in through the hole. Next, we'll need a lid and a straw. It's our brand new water cooler. Or should I say, juice cooler. Ooh, apple cider. Try a pint. Let's take an orange. Stick some beads on the bottom. And scoop it out. Add a pillow, some blankets, and a baby. And it's a new baby carriage. Aw, she'll sleep good tonight. Next up, grab an old lunch container. And pour some glue on the bottom. Take a brush and spread it out. Add it on. Give it a good shake to spread it around, too. Step right in. It's your new pool. Just don't forget the water. And pool toys. Now line a bunch of straws together. And add some lines of glue on the bottom. Ooh, it can use some arms too. And it's a brand new lounge chair.